guys, good morning. It's April 23, day 114 daily vlog. And yeah, so maybe starting this week, every morning maglalakad ako pa uwi na 30 minutes na walk, pero actually magandang exercise na siya. So okay din siya kasi hindi mainit lakarin, kasi alas 5 naman ng umaga. So yeah, again, grateful for this day and for another opportunity. So yeah, kakarating ako ng bahay, no? So, yeah, pahinga muna. Ready na ulit pumasok sa office na. So, yeah. Kailangan natin tatagan yung loob natin araw-araw, and importante yung prayer in times of parang weak points, no? Pag nangihinaan tayo, prayer yun talaga, no? And it gives us a bit of courage, no? Because we trust God. We trust God for everything. So yeah, let's just continue to do our best. Let's continue to do our best now. Every day. We must not give up. Do our best. Dito ko na end yung vlog, no? Day 114 or April 23 vlog, no? It's been a good day at work, no? Normal lang, no? And kasi ako parang kanina nakausap ko si Mike, yung ka-wave ko, about medyo magandang usapan naman about purpose, yun, about significance, na kung mamatay man tayo is ano ba yung parang gusto mong impact mo sa mundo or significance mo. Malalim na tanong siya, no? Pero siguro yung bata-bata pa ako, no? Nasasabi ko na to become great, no? Makilala, well known, no? Worldly known, no? Siguro, pero ngayon maybe the reality in a real sense, to become significant to others, no? Because we love them, we spend our time together and we love each other, they feel love, and pag nawala tayo is talagang malulungkot sila, iiyak sila dahil nawala tayo, ganun. I think yun lang naman yun pinaka-purpose or sense ng buhay para sa akin. Yeah. Maybe it's a good way to end this vlog, this one, day 114 vlog. So guys, thank you, and as always, let's just do our best every day, no? And para wala tayong pagsisihan, ganun. So yeah, love you all.